this is correct best. I want to show you again today's earning for today. Let me do my task for today and see how I earn again today. In case you want to know more about this, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. This is FCB, business opportunity that allow you to earn every day. You earn in different ways on FCB. You earn on wealth management, you earn on doing tasks, the tasks like installing apps, in which the apps is not installing your phone in order not to occupy spaces. So the app you are installing is the task you are doing every day. The level you are depends the number of tasks you will be doing every day. So let me do it and show you, and they also show you the wealth management, how it's moving. For those of you that are following me up from the day one, the previous videos I post about FCB from day one till now, you can check. In case you are new to this video, this business, just go to my first day of posting these FCB videos. You can follow up and understand more about FCB, how it works. So let me do today's task. First of all, let me go to wealth management. You can see my wealth management level has reached now. Can you see it? If you are following up from my previous videos, you will know my last balance till now. So now 12 is 12 already. So once it's 12 midnight, just open it. You see your wealth management have already increased. Once it's 12 a.m., your wealth management will increase, and your tasks, you do your tasks too. So these are two ways I'm earning. There are other ways to earn. So this one is 102,952 naira. Remember, the money I invest here is 34,000. So, and I invest it for 30 days. I invest down 34,000. Sorry, the 34,000 I invest on this wealth management is for 30 days. So this is the revenue we have already reached now. So it's 102,952 naira now. So I've already get my revenue for today. Another one tomorrow, it will continue till I reach the number of days that I invest for it before my money will now drop up my wallet, so I can withdraw it from there. So this is FCB business. So this is working very, very well. It's very, very okay. So let me go to my task today and show you how I do my task every day. First of all, go to start. Well, first of all, let's see my balance. You can see my balance. In case you're following up since, you can see the reason why my balance go like this, because some people, one person register. That's why I earn from the person that register. So that is how the thing is working. If one person register, you'll be earning. Another 2 people, 3 people, you'll be earning. That's how you'll be doing your own. You'll be earning on invite anybody you invite, you earn. So you'll be earning in different ways, even 3 places, 4 places, 5 places, depend on how you invest on this business. So this one, if you know my balance before, you can see. So today, now let me do my task for today. I remember my earning every day is 1,250 every day. This side, the money I used to start on this one is because I jumped to level 2. The level 2 is 32,500. So I will be doing my task every day on that level 2. The task I'll be doing is to install the app, 10 apps every day. I'll be installing 10 apps every day. That is my task every day. Once I'm done with the 10 apps, I'm okay. I'm done for that day. I'll be waiting for the next day. So let me do my task right now. Go to start. Once you go to start, you go to get today's task. You see the apps, these apps that I will be installing. This is my task every day. 10 apps is one I'm installing. So let's go to now do the task, install. So due to I don't want to waste time waiting for this one to be finished before I now install another one. So I will now go to start again and be choosing another one step by step, so everything will be going the same time. So the next one to do is hair makeover. Hair makeover is the next to install. Then the next one is Capital One Shopping is the next one to do. Next one is Luna Benedicta. Luna. Then the next one is Drops Language Learning. That is one I'll be doing next. Yeah. So which one to do next? Marco Polo. Marco Polo is the next task to install. Then the next one is CCW. Is the next task to install. Then the next one is Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard. Yeah. So I'm done with the 10 tasks. So I'll be waiting for them to install all of them. In case you want to register on this FCB, you can go to my description. I will post the link there so you can register and follow the instructions on how to put your name. Remember, any name you put, make sure it match with the same name you use in the bank. Don't do mistake on your names, and your username and the password, everything, make sure you write them down, write it on the book or anything, any place that you cannot forget it, so that you will not forget your details. Keep them safe. Don't show it to anybody. Keep your details safe. Even me, don't show me. So just keep your details safe. The same name you use the bank is the same name you will put on your details when registering on this business. So go to the link on the description and register and follow the instructions. So any level that you want to start, you can just start. Whether it's level 1 or level 2 or level 3, anyone you can start. And you'll be doing our task every day and be earning. Then weight management, you can see where weight management is. You can put any amount that you want to put. Then you'll be seeing the revenue every day. You'll be getting every day. You see the revenue you'll be getting every day in any amount you put on wealth management. So they didn't say you pull this amount or this amount. No, any amount that you want, that you can afford to start, you can put it on wealth management. Remember that, first of all, you have to join any level first and become a member before you can start wealth management. You can't just jump and go straight to wealth management. No. You will first of all register as a member, enter any level that you want to enter before you can start doing wealth management. So that is how it works. So go to description. I'll post the link there so that you can click on it and register on FCB. Anyone that you don't know, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527, 07036760527, and is a must that you will chat me on WhatsApp so that they can add you on general group. We have general group for registered members, so that for any complaint, you can lay your complaint there. Then the admin and the customer service will now attend to you in any issue you have, maybe network in withdrawing, or maybe network in anything, or you pay money, you didn't see it inside your account. They will rectify everything, and you see everything will work. So that is the importance of that group. That's why I say you will chat me. If not, I don't even need you to chat me. But because of that group, you can chat me, or just anything you want to ask me. Maybe you don't know how to do anyone, you can just let me know. I'll teach you how to do it more, because as a new member, you never know, you never learn more about it, unless you can learn through my videos here. But just anyone, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Remember, you are not paying to me the money, you are paying it to the company. Just once you go to the website, register, put your details, your name, make sure you don't do mistake on your name. Then the phone number you use to open it, make sure it's your WhatsApp number. make sure it's your WhatsApp number, because that is the same number that we used to add you for WhatsApp. That is the same number that we used to add you on WhatsApp. So make sure you use your WhatsApp number to create your account. All right, let's check my task whether it's already completed. I think he has completed already. So you can see here 1,000 is 1,250 supposed to earn. Of course, there's a 62 something here before. So that's why you are seeing 1,003 something. Because what I'm earning every day is 1,250. So that is how it was. See, my balance now have already increased to 17,150. Then see my wealth management. See my wealth management is still 102,952. So I'm done for today's task. I'm done. Saying see you guys tomorrow. Waiting for tomorrow task. This I always pray, let tomorrow come fast. Let me do my task to show you how this thing is working. I always pray, let 12 a.m. reach for tomorrow task. I always awake to make sure I do my tasks by 12 a.m. before I sleep. But not must you do it by 12. You can do it any time in the day. You can do it any time in the day. Just make sure you do your task for that day so that you see your earning drop. So I'm done today task. I'll be waiting for tomorrow. Remember, the link will be posted on the description of this video. Just go there and register. Follow the instructions. Just follow the instruction and put your details, everything. Any level you want to join, you can just join. See the account number, you pay for them for their level, then you join and start your task. I'll be earning every day. Then when you want to do your wealth management, and any amount you want to put, whether it's 10,000, 20,000, 50, 100, any amount, 600, 100, any amount you want to put, just put it. Whether it's 1,000, whether it's 2,000, you want to put for wealth management, you can put it. As I put it, you'll be seeing the revenue. Let me go to wealth management for you to see. Like for 30 days. Let's see for 30 days, for example. Maybe I put 1,000. You can see my revenue is 338 naira. I can see it for down here. For example, maybe I put 10,000. My revenue is every day is 3,380. So that's how it works. Any amount you put, you'll be seeing the revenue so that you know if you're okay with it. So, all right, thank you guys. This is Correct Bet. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my new video anytime I post videos. So don't forget to like and share, comment. The link will be dropped on the description of this video. All right, thank you guys. See you tomorrow to see my next task.